Every dating site has space it's not fully using for additional revenue streams, the banners that quietly sit between profiles and messages. Most platforms default to running generic ads there and calling it a day. But what if that space did more than generate a few cents per click? Your site isn't just a place for connections, it's also valuable real estate built into the iDateMedia platform. These dedicated ad spaces can be used in powerful ways. First, the most straightforward route: plug in Google AdSense and start generating passive revenue from every page view with zero extra effort on your part. That only becomes feasible as a monetization strategy when you have hundreds of thousands of ad impressions happening on a monthly basis. But here's where it gets interesting. These same ad spaces can showcase exclusive partnerships tailored to your niche. Imagine your customers clicking on an ad to see you have teamed up with a travel agency to offer members a singles getaway package or a romantic couples retreat once they've matched. Your ad space becomes a direct pipeline sending members to a custom landing page with a deal available only to your community. It's not just an ad, it's an added benefit that makes your platform feel more valuable while creating an additional revenue stream through affiliate commissions or sponsorship deals. Whether you're running standard display ads or curating exclusive offers, this space works for you around the clock. Other use cases that could work well for a niche dating site: date night partnerships, local restaurants, wineries, or activity venues, escape rooms, cooking classes offering member-exclusive discounts for first-second dates, wellness and self-improvement, therapy, relationship coaching apps, matchmaking consultants, or dating photographer services, great for that profile photo help upsell, event ticketing, local concerts, festivals, or singles mixers/speed dating events in the member's city, gift and flower delivery services, perfect for anniversaries or thinking of you moments between matches. Background checks, safety services, a trust-building partnership, e.g. Idaho verification or safety app affiliates that reinforces your platform's commitment to member safety. Relationship content media, affiliate deals with relationship podcasts, books, or streaming documentaries about dating relationships. Subscription upsell banners, even if not a third-party partner, use the space to promote your own premium membership tier or credit packages tying back to the credit system. Local business cross-promotion. If your niche is geographic or cultural, for example, a site for a specific city, religion, or interest group, partner with local community businesses relevant to that niche. As a site administrator under the Aesthetics menu, look for the Website Banner submenu, and you will be able to toggle on and off whether or not to show banners to guests. You can create a new banner, but we're going to go ahead and edit this existing banner. We can give it a specific title. This is particularly useful when you are running a special promotion or campaign, so to go along with the Jamaica offer, we will name it as such so that we can see how this ultimately performs. I want to call your attention to these buttons right here, where you can upload an image from your machine to replace the default creative. Maybe you want to insert an image via URL, and here is where you would insert that link that would ultimately redirect someone to the page that you want to send them. And here is where we can declare how many times are we going to allow that hit limit to occur. Let's say an author is wanting to promote their new book on your site, and instead of splitting revenue on book sales, you might agree to display their ad for a set number of times for a fixed monetary amount, rather than forgetting to turn it off and letting it run indefinitely. And finally, we want to flag it as active once we've made those updates. Go ahead and click Save. At the end of the day, ad space is just space. What you fill it with is what determines its value. A generic banner ad might earn you a few extra dollars per month, but a well-matched partnership does something a standard ad never can. It deepens the reason someone logs back in. Whether you choose the simplicity of AdSense, the potential of a curated brand partnership, or a mix of both, AdSpaces gives you the flexibility to monetize your site on your own terms, while making every square inch of your platform work harder for your community. The opportunity is already built in. All that's left is deciding what story you want that space to tell. Please follow our YouTube channel to stay informed on additional capabilities we roll out in the future. If you have a custom request, reach out to us at sales@iDateMedia to discuss further.